ABM has gone through 3 phases, but the best time that we had in the profession and had fun working was in this office. And Anna wants to have fun as well as work. And this is very cute. It's got a lot of natural light. It's got a lot of positive energy. And then we are all sitting together at just 2 levels instead of 7 levels. So that's why we moved here.
I think this has been a new beginning for us and the firm, and it was a good transition point from my dad transitioning the responsibilities onto me and starting in a new space with a new energy, with a new vibe post this pandemic that we've been through. I think all the staff have also been really excited to work here, and I tried to bring some of my own personal touches to the space since it's my office. One of the things being the ABM red logo color that we have put in places and all over the office, starting with the main door that is red, as well as some of the seating, the storage spaces, the framework that we have for the workstations. And we decided to keep the color palette very light, very subdued. So while the red stands out, everything else is very muted. And wherever we could, wherever we found space, we've added a lot of artwork, we've added artifacts, a few personal touches from the old office. So that has been really good and key in transitioning over from the old firm.
So, with plain muted colors, a touch of wood is timeless. So I just advise her to use matte finish wood for worktops and some cabinets. And that formed the base with muted colors, and she wanted a strong red to come in. So that's where we are.
So we haven't included any of my mom's work. It's mainly to showcase the new generation, new work. So we have included Ashti's work, and we have specifically chosen some of the work from the other office that suits the aesthetic of this office. So like the Sunil Padwals that are behind us.
My style is more brick and mortar, let me put it that way. And with technology and with the training in Ivy League schools, they have a wide canvas to think and a much larger canvas to dream. And then when she dreams and she wants things in a particular way, I ensure that I help her to get it into the real world, into a constructible proposition. That's what happens.
So I feel the great thing about us working together is that I bring that technology in and he's embraced it very, very well. So the new softwares that I've introduced, we have implemented in the firm. A lot of people are using it, and he's been very supportive of that. So while he sketches, and we have a lot of people who translate that into 3D, into digital drawings, it helps him also visualize what his sketches would look like. So I think it works well for us that we have from different generations, but we've sort of found a way to come together.
New ideas in terms of organization and design of course remains the same. Organization and everything is more streamlined and more new and modern than before.
I feel like it's just more like I'm into the process every day. You don't feel like an employee, and you're always in that respectable position where you have an equal opinion in every part of design.
Hana, for example, is extremely adventurous in her design principles, is an amazing designer, and at the same time treats you like a friend. So I'm never worried about bringing out new ideas because it's always going to be heard and it's always going to be respected.
See, I've always been a man who's been proud of how things got implemented. I always tell her that doing a good design and giving good deliverables, if the job is not done well, you're finally responsible. So that's been inculcated. You take our product is not just the design. Our product is to ensure that the thing is well done, because that stands the test of time.